channel. So here's my latest edition of Style on a Dime. This is a series that I've been bringing to you to show you my outfits of the day for things that I was able to get thrifting, either from Goodwill, Salvation Army, consignment stores, or that were given to me free. And so here is my outfit of the day. The top piece is kind of a deep turquoise peasant style top dress, and it is a dress, but for me it's a little short. I probably could get away with wearing it without the bottom half, but that is not my comfort level. So I'm going to wear it. I do like the detail on the arms. I do like the detail here under the breastbone, but of course I'm still working on this section. So I have added in these black pants. The black pants were given to me free. The top part came from the Goodwill. I think I paid $4.59 for this. So the pants were free, just a black pants. They're not like a skinny jean. I probably would prefer a skinny jean, but I don't like leggings. And then the shoes are a slingback peep toe that I got from Goodwill, and they are 9 West. So I paid $3.89 for the shoes. The heel is not as high as I would like it. Probably another half inch to an inch would be perfect heel height on these, but this is what I have. And then the jewelry pieces, the earrings, I just got those from Walmart, probably on a dollar rack or something. This cuff is a gold and turquoise. This was a birthday gift I got several years ago. This ring that I wear all the time, I got from a ladies jewelry swap. I hosted a ladies jewelry swap and nobody wanted this ring. A friend of mine brought it and I was like, oh, I'll take that because of the colors in the top piece. I could wear it with anything, and I've gotten so many compliments. I probably have had this 6 or 7 years and I wear it every single day. And then I'm just wearing my step counter that I got from Aldi. But this is my outfit, and my neck piece came from, this is one of the pieces I got last month from my Nadine West style bag. So this is my outfit of the day. So I hope this has motivated you to go out to your local thrift shop, charity shop, your Goodwill, your Salvation Army, or consignment shop and find some wonderful pieces that you can put together and still look amazing on a dime. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.